Welcome back to Code Sector channel. In this tutorial, we'll be determining how to find an anagram. We'll be writing a program or a script on how to determine an anagram. So first things first, we have our beginner's code here. But there are some things to take into account, okay? We'll be comparing two words. Okay, what is an anagram first of all? An anagram is a word that can be rearranged with all use of the characters. In other words, if I have a word like, let's say, ear, E-A-R, and another word, R, A-R-E, both words can be spelled. Both words are gotten from the same characters and are all utilized. That's the main thing. They are all utilized. It's not like R and area, A-R-E from A-R-E-A. Although R can be plucked from area, but there is still a missing character. That's the last A. So in an anagram, all characters must be utilized. So we can quickly I've googled that for us. So if I come here and say what's an anagram, it says it's a word, phrase, or a name formed by rearranging the letters of another, such as cinema, formed from Iceman, So it can be rearranged. So we want to write a program to determine this, and it's quite simple to do. So first things first, how do we go about this? Okay, we're not going to write a function, we'll just write a simple script. First things first, we have two words. So let's just say const word one equals to, for now, blank, and const word two. So we're storing both words in a variable. These are the words we'll compare. So let's think about the solution. First of all, both words the user may fill in or may try to compare may not be of the same case. One may be lowercase while the other may be uppercase, or one may be camel case and the other may be both lowercase and uppercase, just mixed. So first things first, we want to try to make all of them be of the same case. It could be all uppercase, but usually programmatically we usually do all lowercase. Secondly, which we'll not do, some may try to do a bit more of word sanitization by picking off words or picking off characters that are not letters, looking maybe mistakenly typed digits or stuff like that, or or strokes, or we don't need to do that for this simple tutorial. Um, After converting them to lowercase, the next thing we want to do is to sort them. So we want to sort them, and when we sort both words, they become, like when we sort both words, they are rearranged alphabetically, or the earliest they are rearranged alphabetically. Yes, that's the explanation. So that way it gives us it makes both words kind of not equal, but like it makes the comparison to be on the same basis. Okay, then third, we convert, because when we sort, we have to convert the string into an array, and to compare, you should convert the array back into a string. As simple as that. So let's, for our first words, let's start with the word rail, and the second word we'll start will be the word layer. So I can just come here and say we want to just say we want to make it lowercase. Okay, so I can say let lowercase word one equals word one dot what's there, yeah, to lowercase, I think, to lower, no, that's wrong, lowercase. Okay, we got that. Then we can just duplicate that, then lower two, no, what's going on, lowercase word two equals word two dot lowercase. Yeah, that's it. So now both are in lowercase now. So what next we want to do is to turn the strings into an array, because we want to sort. And to do that, we use the method called split. So we can say we can still reassign to this and say lowercase word one equals lowercase word one dot split. After splitting that, we can now do our sort method. After sorting, we can now join. What this does, the first split converts it into an array. The sort method sorts the word inside the array. Then the join converts a string back into an array. So that's that. Then we just duplicate that. Then we get word 2, and this will be lowercase word 2. Exactly doing the same thing, splitting, sorting, and joining. This is a classic JavaScript procedure that happens from time to time. You should get used to it. Okay, you split, the sort, and join. Then what next? Time for comparison. Okay, so we can just say, is lowercase word 1 the same as lowercase word 2? If that's the case, please console.log true. But if that's not the case, console.log false. So that's that. So we can save that and see what we come up with. So if I say determine an anagram and I reload and I try to okay, inspect here, I can come to console. It says true. So that means we are right that the word rail and the second word le are an anagram. Okay, what we can now do is to run some more examples. So I can say for this one, inertia. No, but let me use this one. Let's use another example, the terrorist example. A classic example I so love. Okay, when I was much younger, in a qualitative reasoning class, we were told to look for a word that we could pick out from the word terrorist. But we're not given the second word basically, so we just had to like figure it out. And I was very young then and couldn't really find it out. But now I know what it is. Ketra. So I can save this, then we can reload and see whether we're going to come with true or false. So I've reloaded and we have true. So let's give another example that looks right but wrong. This third one will be inertia, and word 2 will be terrain. And I save that and I come here and I reload and we have false here. So that's how it's done. Okay, you get your two words, convert them to lowercase, you split, sort, and join, and then you compare, and after comparing you get your result. You can convert this into a function and probably return true, and whatever you want to do with it. So stay cool guys, try to subscribe to the channel, and thank you. Yeah, bye.